Hello, dear viewers. How are you all? Hope you'll be doing well. I'm Khizr Bakhtiar, and you're watching Khizr 2.0. In this video, I'll be training you completely about the free airdrops. This is gonna be a complete tutorial video of free airdrops and how you can claim them. What is the eligibility criteria, and what are the conditions and the steps that you can follow and claim the free airdrops. So first of all, you have to go to uh, the browser and type CoinMarketCap. You will see this coinmarketcap.com. You have to go here. Once you go to this website, you will see this kind of interface. If you are using the desktop version, you will see this kind of interface. Both are almost same. So let's get into the mobile version again. Here, the first step is that you go to this website and tap on the top right corner, and here you will see two options: create an account and login. If you already have an account on CoinMarketCap, so you can simply log in into this. But if you don't have an account on the CoinMarketCap, so first you have to create one by simply putting your email and also entering a strong password. Then you'll receive a verification code on your Gmail or a verification link from where you can verify your account. And then after that, you come here and log in your account by putting your email and the password. Fine. After that, once you are done, it will show you have successfully logged in. I'll be uploading a complete tutorial of CoinMarketCap later, because there are so many options: the cryptocurrency exchange, NFT, portfolio, watch list, and so many. If you open each of them, there are so many options. So I'll be uploading a complete tutorial of CoinMarketCap later, but in this video I'll be specifically talking about the free airdrops. So for that, you have to tap on the calendars and the free airdrops. And here you will see three different blocks: the ongoing airdrops, the upcoming airdrops, and the ended airdrops. These are all those airdrops which recently ended. 18 recently ended airdrops, and these are all those airdrops which are upcoming. If you are interested in any of these projects, you can wait for them, and it will be in few days will be available here in the ongoing section. And 11 ongoing airdrops are available in which you can apply, and if you are lucky, you will get some tokens, free airdrops of that token. So for example, if you are interested in any of these projects, or if you want to apply for all of them, you can. For example, I'm interested in the BNO token. So here is the participant. Here is number of winner, total airdrop amount, and ends in. So for the BNU token, total number of participants are 52,000 plus, and total numbers of winner will be 1,000. The token for 55,000 BNU tokens. Total tokens, BNU tokens, will be distributed among 1,000 winners, and the total participants for now are 52,000 plus, right? And 4 days are left for this airdrop, so you can also join this airdrop. Just tap on the project you want to join the airdrop and tap on the join airdrop. Here you will first have to complete some conditions. You have to add it into your wish list, the coin, and then you have to join their Telegram team. I've joined. Then you have to follow them on the Twitter. Just simply follow it, and then you have to follow another account of Twitter, right? And after that, retweet a post. You have to complete all of these conditions. So retweet this post, and now go back to this. So you have to put the Binance Smart Chain wallet here, right? So you don't have to put the BEP20 address from the Binance. This will be your biggest mistake. Why? Because these tokens are not yet launched on the Binance, and if you uh, put that address, BEP20 address, Binance Smart Chain address of Binance here, so you will get these tokens if you win, and if you win this airdrop, you will get these tokens in your Binance wallet, and there it won't be able, you won't be able to sell them. You won't be able to sell them or change them into any other currency. What will you do then? You will have to transfer it to the Trust Wallet or any other exchange where these tokens are available. So from saving yourself from this biggest, like you will be charged some transaction fee also while you are transferring the tokens. So to save your time and to save your funds from the transaction fee, the simplest and recommended way is to put the BP20 address from the Trust Wallet. Just go get into your Trust Wallet account and copy your Binance Smart Chain address. Here you can also copy it from here and just put it here. So in the Trust Wallet, these tokens, little tokens are available, and you can anytime swap these tokens on Pancake Swap, or if it is available on any Uniswap, if it is available on Jewel Swap, so you can easily swap it there. So it is recommended that please drop your BP20 address, the Binance Smart Chain address of your Trust Wallet. Here I put my address, and then they'll ask you for the Twitter account, uh, and then also your Telegram account, and they'll ask you for the link of retweeted post. So go to your profile and simply the most recent post, these three circles, tap on here and copy link. After copying it, just paste it here, and these two conditions and terms you have to allow them. So they are saying that you, if you are lucky and you win this, they don't guarantee that you will win this airdrop. It is a lucky chance. So if you win this airdrop by chance, and if you are lucky enough, so you will get them, or if you don't, you can read it by yourself, and if you are not lucky, so you won't get any airdrop. So it is a game of luck. If you're lucky, you will get the airdrop. Second thing is that when you win the airdrop, you will be charged some little transaction fee like $0.17, $0.39, or $0.50, 50 cents, 16 cents, 17 cents. So you have to pay that for the claiming of any account tokens. So now for that you must have a little Binance smart chain tokens in your Trust Wallet. So you will be able to pay the transaction fee for the airdrop claimation, and then you will get the tokens into your Trust Wallet account, and by that you'll be able to later then you'll be able to later swap those coins into other coins. So this was a complete tutorial of how you can uh, freely get the airdrops. What's the way, what's the procedure, everything is explained well in this video. If you still have any question, if you still have any problem, you can ask me in the comment section below, and also I'll be uploading a complete tutorial video of coin market cap later. So see ya till then. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.